I like my bacon. You got a problem with that?
I don't like your bacon.
Hey, Seth, do you think Hannah Montana is sexy?
No.
Oh, really?
I think I am.
And that's a wrap.
Save yourself!
Laugh it out. Laugh it out.
I'm looking into the camera.
Come here, you oversized piece of bacon.
I'm looking into the camera.
It says you're an oversized piece of bacon. You know that?
I did not say that.
Dork. That was so gross.
I did it.
Hi. And that's a wrap.